Hey everybody, we're going to talk about airplaying today. First off, check in the description below. All the exercises mentioned here are for free, downloadable links. Secondly, we need to talk about why do we airplay. So the main thing for airplaying that I find beneficial as a player is it connects the coordinated parts of my body and my mind together before I actually put it to my face. This is important because when I, as a trumpet player by trade, just play, and never take time to just think through the notes, I'll actually wear my face out and get tired a lot quicker. So airplay helps alleviate that and makes it so that we can practice a lot more. And on that same breath, it also allows us to play airplay throughout any point in the evening, any point in the morning without disturbing anyone. So not only is it really efficient and good for our brains and our bodies and our hearts, it's also good for the neighbors in our house. Before we get started, drums, percussionists, look below in the description, find that timestamp, click that now. You can skip everything I'm about to say. Also, for us instrumentalists that are wind players, here's one note for you. When you're looking at the exercise, you'll notice that there is a couple kinds of little lines above the notes. The first one is called a tie. It connects two notes that are the same pitch, which means it's combined. So this one will be 8 beats of a concert F. But here you'll notice that the line is connecting these 5 notes and they're not the same pitch. That's called a slur. So when you hear me airplay this, I'm going to be going ta, and that's to indicate that I only articulate the first one. I only tongue the first of those notes. Don't forget, practice these things in small doses. Take them in small enough chunks where you feel comfortable. Airplaying is not as simple as just going from beginning to end and hoping that you got it all right. You need to learn this in chunks too. Small doses is always better than big ones that are poorly achieved. Also, don't forget to slow it down. If this helps, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below how this helped you or if you need more help. Here we go. Here's the airplay. Notice I went ta-ah there. Ta, 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 ta. The pitches don't matter when you're singing these, just do the best you can. Ta, 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 ta. Try to hold those notes out. I'm going to take it up. Ta, ta, ta. Da, 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 da. And that's the end of part 1. You can apply airplaying techniques to any song that you play in your lives as musicians. I find that this to be a great way to engage the brain, engage the fingers, skip a lot of the hard work by just putting in the mental time before you play. Listening is half of my practice time usually. All right. Again, if this helped, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.